Set to begin on Friday, West Springfield is holding a public hearing this afternoon to weigh a potential mask mandate.
The Western Mass News reporter Matt Satilli now joins us live from West Springfield with more on the impending decision. Matt.
Chris and Jordan, preparations are almost complete here at the Big E, but one big question still remains. With COVID-19 cases on the rise locally, will masks be required at the fair? Well, residents have an opportunity to weigh in on that starting at 5:20 this afternoon.
With being outside, I don't see a need for it. If you're inside in a confined space, then maybe a mask should be required.
One Western Mass resident in favor of an indoor mask mandate in West Springfield ahead of a Board of Health public hearing Wednesday afternoon. As for outdoors,
I think if you're concerned, you should bring a mask with you, just in case. I always keep one in my pocket.
Under consideration, COVID mitigation measures, which according to documents we found on the health department's website reads as follows. Face coverings are required in all indoor public places, as well as private places open to the public, regardless of vaccination status for those over the age of 2 years old. Jean Galloway, the director of public health in West Springfield, says residents can join the virtual public hearing to share their thoughts.
Unless they want to drastically change what's written, there will likely be a decision.
And West Springfield Mayor Will Reichelt tells Western Mass News it's no coincidence that the mandate would go into effect on Friday, September 17th, the first day of the Big E.
With the Big E happening and hundreds of thousands of people being here, hopefully here at supporting the Big E over the next 17 days, that is part of the reason they're thinking about taking action.
Galloway says the town has experienced an uptick in the positivity rate over the last week.
Last week's was 5.8. Before that was in the low 4s for a couple of weeks. So that's kind of a big jump.
Which has the health department on high alert.
So yes, there's a lot of concern for folks coming in with it.
As for enforcing these potential indoor mask mandates, an abundance of signage and staff on hand, including help from Board of Health, Big E, police, and fire officials. But Big E President Gene Cassidy tells Western Mass News he's optimistic fairgoers will comply.
Those people who are averse, they're not going to be here. So I expect things are going to go pretty smooth.
We're told there will be a 2-minute limit for anyone who wants to weigh in at this afternoon's public hearing, which once again is scheduled to begin at 5:20. For more information on how you can join, visit our website, westernmassnews.com. Reporting live in West Springfield, Matt Satilli, Western Mass News.